Let me ask you a question. Do you like coffee? It's that magic bean beverage that millions consume every day. Do you crave that amazing aroma in the morning, along with a much-needed jolt of caffeine? Well, I don't. And that's okay. But hey, my wife does. I mean, she really loves coffee. So today, I'm going to take this old stovetop coffee maker, and I'm going to do something fun with it just for her. So stick around. This little coffee pot has been in A's family for many years, and I want to celebrate that. I'm going to combine two of her favorite things, coffee and hummingbirds. All I'm doing is disassembling the pot and taping off the handle to preserve it from being painted. Once outside, I painted everything a nice candy apple red. I'm using a primer and paint mixture that bonds well to metal. I'm not really concerned about getting anything on the inside because this is for ornamental purposes only. Off camera, I traced my hummingbirds with the help of some carbon paper. Now, I'll let you watch as I paint. And I hope you enjoyed watching our little video. We would love for you to subscribe and see what we get into next. Feel free to send us a note in the comment section below. We love hearing from you. With that said, we'll see you on the next one. Goodbye, and God bless.